Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Measuring income inequality is a classic economics challenge that we can solve in seconds. Let's break down these options and find the right answer fast.
First, we need to understand that economists use specific tools to track how wealth is distributed across a population. We're looking for a numerical index that represents this gap. Next, we analyze the Lorenz curve, which plots the cumulative share of income against the population. The area between this curve and the line of perfect equality gives our answer. Finally, we identify that this specific ratio is known as the Gini coefficient. That makes option D our final winner for this economics problem today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given and check steps for success.